delicious lemonade. It's a dragon fruit coconut lemonade that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Of course, the exotic dragon fruit, granulated sugar, coconut extract, coconut milk, condensed milk, coconut water, regular water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and creamy and refreshing lemonade. Dragon fruit coconut lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start first making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, and to this I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to go ahead, add it in here. I'm going to take it to the stove and I'm going to start making the simple syrup. To tell you the truth, it really doesn't take too long, and when you do this step, you add less sugar to your lemonades. The water is going to become a little cloudy and then nice and clear, and that's when you know your simple syrup is completely done. I'm going to remove from the heat. I have 1 can of coconut milk. I have 1 can of condensed milk. I have the coconut water. I'm adding 1 liter. I have the coconut extract, and I'm just adding a splash. I'm going to go ahead and mix it away, making sure that all the milks combine, that everything is really delicious. Look how creamy this is. This lemonade comes out amazing every time. I have my dragon fruit here, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse it completely, making sure that I clean the edges very good. This step, do not forget it. You need to go ahead and rinse it very good, especially the ends of the dragon fruit right here. Okay, I am ready to slice it open and see how it looks from the inside. Look at this. The pulp looks delicious. I'm sure that it's really nice and plumped. Look at this. It's really spongy. This is an amazing fruit and has a lot of properties, a lot of antioxidants. Well, here I'm just going to slice it, cube it, make it in very tiny little squares, because remember, I want to incorporate it with the mixture of the coconut milk. Look at this. I could eat it just like that, believe me. I'm going to go ahead and just pull it apart, making sure that I get all the pulp from the inside, because I don't want to leave anything behind. This looks amazing. I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that I get everything from the sides, remove all the pulp, and then, you know something, I am ready to just pour it on this plate, making sure, of course, I don't leave nothing behind. The same thing I'm going to do with the other half, leaving everything nice and clean. It looks amazing, my friends, and it tastes delicious, nice and sweet. I have all the ingredients ready to combine. I have the coconut extract, the coconut water. I have all the mixtures here of the milk, and I'm adding my simple syrup at this moment. Remember, the simple syrup is to taste. I'm just gonna go ahead and incorporate it And of course, I have my dragon fruit ready. And all the pulp, I'm gonna add it to the delicious milks. And you know something? This lemonade comes out amazing. You guys need to give it a try. Instead of going and buying soft drinks, why not make this delicious lemonade, dragon fruit coconut lemonade at home? I'm gonna taste it. To my tasting, this is great. I don't need to add anything else but the pulp. Okay, I'm gonna incorporate it completely, but I wanna show you how this looks. All those little black specks, all the little pulp that's inside of the liquid. This is just amazing. The smell of the coconut is so penetrated. If you love coconut like I do, you're gonna love this lemonade. I'm gonna go ahead and get a pitcher ready with lots of ice. It's really hot today here in California, and this is gonna be a perfect, refreshing lemonade. Of course, I'm going to enjoy it. Okay, I'm gonna put it aside. I have my pitcher here. I'm gonna add enough ice, and to this, I'm gonna add some pulp in between the ice so that I could add all the delicious lemonade in here. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a little bit. I can't wait to pour the delicious mixture inside. Try it, my friends. Enjoy what I enjoy here with my family. See you in a bit. I am completely done with this delicious and refreshing dragon fruit coconut lemonade. I am sure you guys are going to love it. It's perfect for this hot weather. It's nice and creamy, and it's two combinations that is just amazing. The coconut is so refreshing. It really is a delicious flavor, and the dragon fruit was even amazing. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. This combination is so delicious. You guys are going to love it. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious dragon fruit coconut lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon, my friends. Bye-bye.